All right, so you were mentioning this usually is rented out for long-term stays.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
We give it for long term. All of the apartments here, or even the one that you use for hotel, we also give it out as for long term because the setup is the same. It's an apartment.
Right.
For here, we set aside 50% for long term, 50% for short term or hotel stay.
Okay.
But in case the longer or people is asking for longer stay, we give of the hotel part.
I see. Okay. And so, do people do year-long leases, 6 months? What's the kind of the average amount of time that people do?
Usually it's like year.
Okay. Year.
Minimum a year.
Okay.
And we even have companies that stay here for more than 5 years.
Wow.
Currently, we have 2 companies that stayed more than 5 years, and we have one organization that took 5 apartments here.
Wow. What kind of companies are they? Do you know?
Embassy.
Embassy.
Yes. So they like here because also of security.
Yeah.
We have electric fence.
Yeah.
On our fences has electric fence. So security wise, we are okay.
And a great location.
And also the U.S. Embassy, of course, one of our great customers. They're sending their guests here.
Nice. Can I go work for the U.S. Embassy? You guys want to give me a job? So this has been a great tour. This place is really, really nice. I'm looking forward to sharing this with the folks out there for sure. So thanks, Mars, for the tour.
You're welcome.
And we'll see you guys on the next video.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching that clip from the Authentic African YouTube channel. If you want to see the full video, click up here. If you want to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe by clicking this link right here. And if you want to see anything more from the channel, then you want to click down here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.